It is Monday and starting the week on a busy Monday. I have lots of orders. Well, I have one order that I need to drop off, and then I need to run around to the fabric shop and get some fabric for a star bag that I have as a made to order. So yeah, starting the week off busy, but that's great. I'm going to London at the end of the week on Friday, so I need to basically do everything within Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so work extra long days and everything like that. That's fine. Yeah, so let's get going. Okay, I'm just back in the studio. I went to the fabric shop to get some fabric to make a custom piece that I am working on. It's a star bag with a charm and a key ring. So I needed some extra fabric, got that. And now, before I get going on that, I need to run across to Diva. Then we're back in the studio working on the custom piece that I need to do, and also some orders that I need to finish packing and send emails to tell people they're ready for collection. It's a really busy week this week. I think I mentioned I'm going to London at the end of the week to visit friends, and when we booked Friday to Monday, and mine has an apartment over there, so we are finally getting a chance to go over and see her. It's one of those things that when you're self-employed and you book a trip and you think, oh, that's ages away, and then it comes up and you're like, I'm so busy, why did I ever book to do anything? I need to just stay here forever in the studio. But so I'm gonna have to work kind of extra busy this week, which is fine. I'll get it all done.
Okay, so this is Diva. This is one of the shops that stocks my collections in Dublin, and it is a wonderful shop. It's got like vintage at the bottom, contemporary on the ground floor, and then Irish designers on the top floor. So if you are visiting Dublin, definitely make sure to drop in and have a look. So here's an example of some of the designers that have their work on the third level, and there is a mix of jewellery designers, accessory designers and fashion collections. A lot of the work is focused on sustainability, and a lot of like upcyclers or people who use vintage fabrics in their work and that kind of thing. So it's really fun to visit and come and see all of the different talent on offer. But I thought I'd drop in and show you my collection. I actually recorded myself talking through while I was there, but because of the music, I might get copyrighted, so I thought I'd just do a voiceover and walk you through. You've seen me make all these pieces, but I thought it would be really nice just to kind of show you them as they are displayed in the shop. And if you haven't seen my videos on the making of the summer collection, you can go back and kind of watch my previous studio vlogs. So here's the first piece I'm going to show you. It is the t-shirt dress made with an upcycled t-shirt and lots of embellishments. Then my lace bow tie collection. I really liked that piece, and I styled it in the shoot with that lace skirt. That lace skirt, I kind of hand painted the floral parts on it. And then here is a little bubble skirt I made with a patch. I really liked that. I thought that was really cute for summer. This was one of my favourite pieces in the collection. It was like a jacket made from a vintage fabric that I had, and I made a matching collar. Then I made this co-ord of a flared shorts and like this collared jacket. The jacket sold, but I think the shorts are still available at the moment. This dress again was like a lace dress with the bow detail. Thought that was really cute for layering. Like I personally would probably wear that like layered with jeans or something like that. And then this is one of my star bags that I made with kind of the longer lace detail and the pink handle. Then I made these flared shorts, and there was a matching top to go with those, but I think they've already sold. And then this dress with the big puffy sleeves and the kind of patchwork detail at the bottom. Yeah, so that's the collection that is in Diva, and if you are passing through Dublin, it's definitely worth coming in and having a look.
I've just gotten into the studio and it is raining so much outside, and it was beautiful yesterday. Yeah, typical Irish summer. I don't know, it's July and it's lashing rain. I'm leaving my jacket on because I need to run around to the shop, but Yesterday I finished the star bag. This is actually a made to order one for a friend of mine as a gift, so I need to make a matching charm to go along with that, which I'm going to do today. Yeah, I finished that yesterday. Right now I need to run around to the shop and get some envelopes. I've got a few orders that need posting, and then I need to pack the other orders that are being collected from the studio. I think I already showed you, but these are all like collecting from the studio. That is the plan for now. Then I have so much of the stuff. Do you ever get like, I just feel I don't know when I'm not, but I feel really overwhelmed with the amount of work. Let me pick you up. Yeah, because there's a lot of stuff coming up in August, and I just feel like I'm still getting asked to do things, and everything's really exciting. Everything is really positive, but I end up just feeling stressed because I can't physically take on any more work as a one-person business, especially trying to like manage social media on top of running a business and being the person making the things. Like, I don't know, if anyone has any advice, please let me know. And I'm fine. I'm just I'm noticing more and more how overwhelmed I am with the amount of work I constantly have to do, and it never seems to end. Yeah, and I just don't know how to find like the right balance. And obviously I'm doing something I really love. Like, I'm so passionate about this. It's just figuring out how to manage it all, and also to manage like getting social media ready. And I really enjoy doing YouTube, so I don't want to give up on this part of doing the videos, which obviously take a long time too. Anyway, it's still raining outside, but we're gonna have to run around to the shop now. Okay, I'm back in the studio and I'm going to start packing orders. I thought I'd show you what is getting packed today. So let me move you here. So first, one of these bags, one of the huge fits everything bags. I think I've sold 4 of them now, so I might have, how many do I have left? I've got 3 left up there. Yeah, so that is that bag. It's got like the 70s kind of candle wick fabric on it, and that's the charm on the side. I also added a, well, the lining is really cute. I really like that lining fabric. And then I added a little snap button. I don't know if that's focusing there. Okay, so that is the first thing I'm packing. Then one of these charms sold. I think I sold the other one, so I don't have any more of the camouflage left. I don't actually know if I have any more of this fabric, but I'm sure I can source them. But yeah, that sold. And then these 2 dresses sold. I don't know if I'll get around to packing them today. We'll see how we get on. But this one of the tulle tops that I made at the start of the year, and this is an archive piece from spring summer 2022, I think, and it's got all this screen printed like towel detail and like a ruffle a drop waist with a ruffle. So some of the orders are collect from studio, and then the other ones are getting posted. So I'm going to get all the ones that are posted today, and then I'll go back and do all the collection ones. Yes, so that is my plan for now. Okay, so I've just packed 2 orders. So that is the fits everything bag and one of the charms. So I'm just going to get both of these ready to send now. I have to go around to the post office still with lashing rain outside, but it has to be done. Bag. Let's go. Yeah, just on my way to the post office today. Morning, it is Wednesday and it is lashing rain on this middle of July day in Dublin. So yeah, just off into the studio. Another day of packing orders. I'm heading to London on Friday, I think. I'm hoping the weather is good, so we have that to look forward to. Don't know if we've spoke yet today, but I'm catching you up on what's going on. First off, I finished this order. This was a custom made to order piece of one of the black satin star bags with a matching kind of heart shaped charm with all of this gold sequin detail. So that is ready to go. I'm going to get that packed up. Also, this top has been ordered, so I'm going to get that ready and packed. I also am in the middle of just finishing these 2 other Fits Everything bags with these cute charms. Look at these, they're so cute. So I might get time to finish them today. I've got 2 of the handles made and I need to make 2 more of the handles. That's the fabric there. Then I have all of my, just move these aside for a sec. I have all my gift bags ready for my orders. So the pink one is going to be for the star bag. And then I have this one and I have this one. So I'll see how small the top falls up. If the top falls up quite small, I might put it in this one. If not, we'll go this one. I might need to make another larger one as well, but we'll see. So yeah, right now I'm going to film the packing of the star bag. Let me show you actually here, because I won't be putting it on. I'll just be filming it as a reel. Show you here so you get an idea. Okay, so here is the star bag. And these are always made to order on my website. Usually I say give me like 2 to 3 weeks. I think this was ordered like a week and a half ago, just to kind of get everything. It depends, like if I'm not that busy, I'll get to it straight away. But if I am, it might take me a few days to get to it. And then this is the matching charm I made. Honestly, so sweet. And I think I'm gonna make more of these because they're pretty cute. And then that's it attached to the bag. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get that packed up. What else am I doing after that? I am packing the order behind me. Okay, I'll catch up with you. The next order I am packing is this top. I have a few left. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them left. This is like an old archive piece. And I actually think I'm going to rework this one. So I only have these 2 online. So yeah, I'm going to get that one packed now. So just folding up now. So while I fold, how is everyone doing? Are we enjoying our summer? We don't really have a summer in Dublin. It's been raining all of July. But yeah, I've been good. I think I've said before in this video, I feel like I have just too many projects on at the same time. And that is proving to be a little bit overwhelming for me. So I am learning, I think, to basically be like, my time is valuable, and to kind of concentrate on things that are kind of either help me pay my rent for my studio or that don't stress me out too much, basically. Which, I don't know, I very much come from a background of I would have said yes to everything, but I just find lately I've been kind of a bit more hesitant to say yes to every single project, especially when they take up a lot of time and don't necessarily help with just basic things like paying my rent and everything like that. So yeah, I don't know, these are things you probably just learn as you go with a business. Half folded top. I'm just gonna fold it again. Yeah, but if any of you are small business owners, let me know down below, because it's definitely something I struggle with. Is, are you missing out on an opportunity, or are you just taking on something that's going to take up too much time? Yeah, I think I've gotten better at just kind of knowing that my time is valuable and to concentrate and put my energy in places I want it to be, and that actually helped me on a more long-term building my business way. Anyway, I am going to finish packing this back in a sec. Okay, so there is that order ready to send. So that is that order packed and ready to go. So what am I on to next? Next I am going to try and finish those bags. So I'll catch up in a bit anyway before I leave the studio.